Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on maybe the most incredible machine on the entire planet, and that machine is you. We're going to explore the amazing interconnected systems that are working inside your body right now, this very second, to keep you going. I mean, we've all been there, right? You go for a run, you play a game, and suddenly your heart is pounding, you're breathing hard, and you're absolutely starving. Well, that feeling, that's the perfect window into seeing just how brilliantly your body works together. But have you ever stopped to ask, why? Why does your heart beat faster? Why do you get so hungry all of a sudden? Well, I can tell you it is definitely not random. It is a perfectly coordinated response from a whole team of specialists inside of you. So let's meet that A-team. We're going to do a real quick meet and greet with the 5 major systems that make everything you do possible. Think of them as the all-star lineup for Team U.
First up, we've got the respiratory system. This is your breathing crew. Its main gig, a super important gas exchange. It brings in the oxygen your body desperately needs and gets rid of the carbon dioxide it doesn't. Simple, right?
Next, say hello to the circulatory system. This is basically your body's high-speed delivery service. With the heart as its engine, it zips oxygen and nutrients from your food to every single part of your body. It's like the ultimate highway system.
And what holds it all together? That would be the skeletal system. It's your body's internal framework. It gives you your shape, and it protects all those important organs. Fun fact for you, the longest bone is the femur in your thigh, and the tiniest little bone is actually tucked away inside your ear. Of course, bones can't really move on their own, can they? They need a partner in crime, the muscular system. These two work together to let you do everything from running a race to just waving hello. They're a dynamic duo. And finally, we have the system that powers all the others, the digestive system. This is your body's personal refueling station. It takes the food you eat and masterfully breaks it down into usable energy. And you know what? This system is so crucial, we're going to take a much closer look. So welcome to the fuel factory. To really get how our bodies make energy, we have to follow the food on its pretty incredible journey, all the way through the digestive system. Okay, so the very first key idea we need to nail down is digestion. What is it? Well, in the simplest terms, it's just the process of breaking down big chunks of food into tiny, simple substances that your body can actually absorb and use. And that process follows a really specific path. This is basically the roadmap for our food's journey. It starts in the mouth and then makes its way all the way through the gut. So let's start right at the beginning. Believe it or not, digestion kicks off the very second food enters your mouth. It's a total team effort in there. Your teeth chew into smaller pieces, your saliva starts to soften it up, and then your tongue rolls it all into a neat little ball that's easy to swallow. But hang on a second. Why is all that chewing so important? I mean, it's not just about making food small enough so you don't choke, right? There's a much cooler, much more scientific reason behind it. It's all about surface area. Think about it. One big piece of food only has so much surface on the outside. But when you chew it up into lots of little pieces, the total amount of exposed surface area just explodes. It increases dramatically. And why does all that surface area matter so much? Because of these guys, digestive juices. These are special liquids, starting with your saliva, that chemically break down food. And for them to work their magic, they need to be able to touch as much of the food as possible. More surface area means a faster, better breakdown. Okay. So once you swallow, that little ball of food gets pushed down a muscular tube called the gullet. From there, it drops into the stomach, which is basically a big muscular mixing bag. In there, it gets churned around for a few hours with even more powerful digestive juices. So after all that chewing and mixing and churning, we finally get to the whole point of this entire process: absorption. This is the moment of truth, where all those good, simple nutrients get taken out of your gut and into your bloodstream to be used as fuel. And the main event for absorption happens in the intestines. First, in the small intestine. This is where digestion finally finishes up, and all those nutrients get absorbed. And get this, in an adult, the small intestine is about 6.5 meters long. Wild. Then, whatever's left moves to the large intestine, which has the job of absorbing water. Okay, let's zoom back out for a second. We've met the A-team, we've done a deep dive into the fuel factory. So now, let's connect all the dots and go back to that original question. What is actually happening when we run? Well, here's how that A-team works together. Your digestive system provides the fuel from the food you ate.
Your respiratory system breathes in the oxygen you need to burn that fuel, and then your circulatory system acts like the delivery truck, rushing both that fuel and that oxygen straight to your muscles that are doing all the work. It's a perfect partnership.
So if there is one single word that sums up how your amazing body works, it is this one: integration. None of these systems is a solo act. They are all working together, perfectly integrated, constantly communicating to keep you moving. You know, a really great way to think about this is to picture a bicycle. A bike has lots of different parts, right? You've got wheels, pedals, handlebars, a chain, and every single one of those parts has a very specific job to do. But let me ask you this: what happens if just one of those parts fails? If the chain falls off the bike, can it still move? Can you get where you're going?
No way. Of course not. And that's really the big takeaway here. Your body is the ultimate system. It's an incredible team, and every single part, every single system matters. They all have to work together. And when they do, well, it is nothing short of amazing.